Did you know millions of people still rely on dial-up internet? In remote rural areas, modern broadband is often unavailable or too expensive to install. Residents are forced back to the noisy, slow technology from the 90s just to connect online. A single phone line provides both voice and data by creating a connection that sounds like screaming static. It's incredibly frustrating for students trying to finish homework during school hours. Despite being outdated, this digital lifeline remains essential where fiber optics simply cannot reach. Without it, entire communities are left isolated from the rest of the world. Follow now to learn more surprising truths about how we stay connected today.